How to disable Reel Remix on Instagram. Instagram allows others to remix our Reels by default, which means our content can be reused without control. So if we do not disable the remix, our videos may appear in other people's Reel. So let's just turn it off properly. Open up Instagram for that. And once we open up Instagram, go to your profile in the bottom right corner and access it up. Now, once we do so, we need to look out for the three lines in the top right corner and tap on it and access our settings and privacy here and open it up. And within here, go to the sharing section. So right here, you can just go over to the section called how others can interact with you. You may scroll down for that. And once we are in this section, tap on this option called sharing and reuse. Now, once we tap on it, what we need to do is we need to select the option for reels and remix. So here we have different options. We can scroll down and basically look out for this reel section where we can allow people to create with and reuse our original audio on Meta AI. And similarly, we have other option which allows people to create with and reuse our content. So what we need to do is basically turn off this option. We have post and reels option. Tap on each of them like this in order to turn it off and confirm it up. And when you turn it off, that will disable remixing for all of the future reels. And you can just go over and do so. If not from here, you can just go over, head back and look out for the certain reel that you posted. So you can head over there. And once we have reached over to the certain reel we have posted, we can tap on the three dot and there basically look out for the option to manage or turning off the remixing. You can just go over and tap on that option here from the menu available and confirm it up, and that's it. You may follow up this process. Turning off remix does not delete the existing remixes, but private accounts automatically block remix and features names may slightly change with update. And that's it. Now, Reel Remix is now disabled on Instagram, giving us full control over our content. So we hope this video was helpful and sure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.